In My Profile, complete your profile by filling in your name, date of birth, address, contact details, and profile picture. You can do this by clicking on the camera icon. My Account. This is where you upload bank account details and PayPal account details, so your funds from patient consults go directly into your selected bank account. My Availability. You can set the date and times you wish to be available for consults, and even change your time zone so there is no confusion with appointment times for people interstate. My Patients. My Patients shows you the patients that have chosen you as their preferred doctor. Here you can also click on a patient's clinical dashboard, where you can find out things such as their history. This includes general history, allergies, medication, past medical and surgical history, and other medical records. You can edit, delete, or modify the history during the consultations. Measurements. This shows patients' blood pressure, blood glucose, oxygen saturation, BMI, ECG, ENT, and skin images, as well as recordings of your patient's heart and lung sounds. Set standards. This allows you to set thresholds for different parameters depending on the patient's current medical status. Previous consultations. Here, you can view your patient's previous notes. New consultations. This area allows you to enter your notes during the current consultation. Medications. Here you can see the patient's current medications and also add new medications for the patient. If you are adding new medications, just type the name of the medication and other information required and add Submit. You then tick the medications you want to print and then click on either Print to print out on your local printer, or Save to Admin, which will save it to the My Online Clinic admin portal, and My Online Clinic staff will send it to the patients. Pathology. This allows you to see previous pathology results or add a new request. When adding a new request, you only need to type the tests you want and fill in the other information, and then click Submit. My Online Clinic staff will send the request to the patient. You will be notified of the result by My Online Clinic staff. Radiology. This allows you to see previous radiology results or add a new request. When adding a new request, you only need to choose the test you want and fill in the other information, and then click Submit. My Online Clinic staff will send the request to the patient. You will be notified of the result by My Online Clinic staff. Feedback. Feedback notes are your feedback to the patients regarding their medical conditions or any other point you would like to emphasize to the patient. These notes will be sent to the patient's file and will be available to the patient via the dashboard. And personal notes. These are notes which you would like to take for yourself regarding the patient. These notes will only be viewable to you via your My Personal Notes in your dashboard. My Messages. In My Messages, there are two icons you can choose from: Appointments and Messages. To view previous or future appointments, click Appointments, and this will show you a request for an appointment. From here, you can accept the appointment or deny the appointment. To view previous or future messages, click Messages, and this will show you all the messages from admin. Check My Room. Always go to Test My Room before your appointment. Here you are able to test your camera, microphone and speakers before your appointment to make sure they are working properly. This is to ensure that your consult goes smoothly. When prompted, you must allow My Online Clinic to access your camera and microphone. Click on the camera and microphone icons to choose the appropriate device. My Past Consults. My Past Consultations shows you all your previous consults with patients and gives you the option to delete data that is not needed anymore. My Future Consults. A few minutes before your appointment, make sure you're logged into My Online Clinic. A clock in your dashboard will show the remaining time to your appointment. Before your appointment, go to Test My Room to test your camera, speakers and microphone. Then you can go and contact your patient by clicking on the phone icon at the time of the appointment. Personal Notes. Personal notes will only be sent to you and will be available in the My Personal Notes box on your dashboard. Report a problem. Here you are able to report any problem you may be having with the site. All questions will be answered and problems will be solved as soon as possible. Contact us. Here you can contact us to get immediate support for services and products and customer service for general inquiries. For telephone customer service, call 1300 900 863. See how my profile will appear to patients. This allows you to view your personal doctor file from a patient's point of view.